Y'all here early. You here for what? How to DIY and save a dime? It's early. I wasn't ready. Y'all gotta give me a moment. Oh, y'all still here? I'm ready. Let's go get started. Hey guys, happy holidays. Now, I'm sure you came to this video because you're having the same situation that a lot of other people do. How many lights do I get when it's time to buy the lights for the tree? A lot of times we don't know, but what I did was I decided to do a video to make it easy for you so that way you don't have to figure it out. So this tree here is one of the trees I have in my home. This is the one in the living room. And this tree is a 6.5 foot tree. And this tree only needed one box of lights, just one. And these are 150 LED lights, and these were from Lowe's. These were $31, and that's all I needed. And some of you might say, just one box? Yes, it is all you need. I promise you. We don't want to make this video long and drawn out. I'm going to have another video on another trick to putting lights up in your house as well. So make sure you stay tuned for that. But let me show you the tree. So like I said, it's 6.5 feet. I'm going to cut the lights out so you can see how it glows. It changes from color to white, which is what I love. I love white lights. My kids love colored lights. So we had to have an in-between. So let's check out how these lights work on this tree and how you only need one box. Now, according to what you're gonna see, you can say, hey, I wanna double it. Hey, that's perfect for me. Then you'll know. And this is the same thing with LED lights. Those thin little fairy lights, you can also put those on your tree. I have them on another tree. I'll try to insert that in here somewhere as well so you can see that one, what that one looks like with the lights on. But let's get into this one. Now that tree is 2 feet taller than this one. That one is a 8.5, almost 9 feet. So I'm going to show you both of them. That one has, I want to say 250 lights on it, not quite doubling, but it is bigger. So I would say for every 2 feet, you need 50 lights. So for every 2 feet of your tree, you need 50 lights, all right? That half mark is usually just when it says 6.5, 8.5, 9.5. It's usually for the star and you don't have to worry about that. So just so you know, let's get into it. All right, guys, so this is the 8.5 foot tree, and this tree has, I had to go back and look at my Amazon because I shared this with you guys the Christmas before last, and this has 300 lights on it. So it's 300, and you can see the glowing is different. And because it's a white tree, it's going to look brighter because the reflection of the lights reflect more than they do in a darker tree. So I hope this was helpful for you guys. If it was, you guys know what to do. All right, guys, so here is the tree, and this is what it looks like. And as you see, it has multiple different functions, and I love it. So if you want your tree to blink fast, blink slow, slow glow, all the different things, these are definitely going to be a go for you. And like I said, it was only 150 lights, and these were at Lowe's. So if you're looking to get lights for your tree, now you see a 6.5 tree is perfect, 150 lights. So if it was 8 feet, you would need at least 200 lights. All right, so I hope this video was helpful. If it was, thumbs up the video. If you're new to my channel, make sure you join the family by hitting that subscribe bell and hit the notification so you can know every time I load a new video. And with that being said, happy holidays, and I will see you guys later, Gators.